I had an idea when I was 14 years old to create a robotic hand. And I met a small girl that had an $80,000 prosthesis. It was very simple and very, very expensive. It really motivated me to tackle this problem head on. At Limb Tomorrow, we've created TrueLimb, which is an affordable, accessible prosthetic limb. We use 3D printing to manufacture it. We make each TrueLimb personal to the client, down to skin tone, size, and weight and feel. It's really the next big thing in prosthetic technology, and we've created to be extremely affordable and accessible for growing children in the future.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I am. I've been waiting for 16 years.
We are working with people all around the US right now. As you can imagine, this is such an emotional, unique product to ship to someone. You know, that unboxing experience when they open it up is so meaningful to someone, you know, both for maybe the child, but also the parent. And so getting something from A to B is extremely important, and we're proud to be able to work with FedEx.
A lot of what Unlimited Tomorrow is about is providing solutions for people, and particularly for me as a father of children. It's powerful, seeing its ability to be specifically made for them and specifically change their lives.
Every day a TrueLimb leaves our office, we know that it's going to make a lasting impact on someone's life.